Hi, my name's Ilana Mendels and I'm from VetPrac, where we bring practical skills to practical vets. I hope you can join us at one of my favourite soft tissue surgery workshops this year on August 24th and 25th. The Perineal and Urogenital Surgery Workshop will be led by Dr. James Simcock, specialist surgeon in Australia. We also have supporting him the fabulous Dr. Sue Gibbons and Pete DeLissa. The workshop will be held at the University of Queensland in Gatton and will cover some very important and often needed techniques for every level of practice. There's anal sacculectomies, perineal hernia surgery repair, perineal urethrostomy, other urethrostomies, kidney resections and biopsies, and of course the very common bladder surgeries. We'll also be doing skin flaps of the caudal body. There's something there for everyone, and it's a very useful workshop, so I hope that you'll get a chance to come. Don't miss out. To find out more information, click on the link below. See you later. Thanks.